This video will walk through how to set up the lead matching module within the distribution classifier. The classifier uses the rules you've just set up to stamp leads with any related leads, contacts, or accounts. If you haven't created your matching and duplicate rules yet, go and do that first and then join us back here once you're ready. The lead matching module is located under the distribution classifier tab. You cannot enable lead matching until you configure and enable at least one of the object matches. That is, lead to account, lead to contact, or lead to lead matching. Let's take a look at how you set this up. For lead to account matching, the first thing you need to decide is whether or not you want to enable matching to account by domain. This is a distribution engine only feature and allows you to use information such as web and email domain to match leads to accounts. It can do this automatically and has built-in intelligence to differentiate between company and personal email domains such as Gmail. Next up, you can choose whether you want to filter the accounts that the classifier can match to. As an example, you may only want to match to accounts above a certain amount of revenue per year. Next up, you need to decide which account you want matched to in the event that the lead matches to multiple accounts. When it says confidence, this is determined by our matching rule items set up in Salesforce. If you'd like more information about how this works, I've included a link to the Trailhead module in the description. Finally, you can see that our duplicate rule has pulled through. These are how the classifier will identify if there are matches. Here you can see the name and the description we set up, and also the items that it will evaluate for matches. Once you're happy with everything, you can click Save, and then you can enable your lead to account matching. As you can see, lead to contact and lead to lead matching is very similar, it just doesn't have the option for domain matching. Now you're nearly ready to enable lead matching. One thing to note is there is the option to delay the matching until the lead meets a certain criteria. This is a great feature to use if you're using an enrichment tool for your leads, since you may want to wait until that enrichment process has completed before any leads are matched. Once everything is set up, you're now ready to enable lead matching. Now when a lead comes in, it will be stamped with any matching leads, contacts, or accounts. Thanks for watching. Please continue to the next video in the lab for the next stage of setup. If you'd like to learn more about the classifier, check out the dedicated knowledge base. I've included a link to it in the description.